Alright. In the meantime...
Everybody loves Waze, the navigation app that translates data from your mobile device into real-time reports so you can avoid traffic, potholes, and the police. You can use Waze in 98 languages, including Arabic, Mandarin, and even a boy band.
Have a pleasant drive.
But we still can't use it in our most widely spoken language, isiZulu. Waze uses English, which is only number 6, and Afrikaans, only number 3. So we created by Nissan, the first voice assist that warns you like only a Zulu can. When a Zulu gives you a warning,
we call it war.
You listen. The language uses phonetic sound so you can hear the danger inside every word. Sounds like a break-in. Sounds like a car rolling. Sounds like bad weather. We hacked the personal voice recorder feature on Waze to upload 41 key Zulu commands to help our users avoid danger without the need for translation.
Jika kwesokudla. Jika kwesokunxele. Asishone khona. Uzofahla.
This allowed us to create a shareable link accessed via the Waze app, as well as content for a nationwide integrated campaign. The cost to upload a new voice on Waze is $75,000. We did it for less than 5. Any app can give out directions. Only one navigates danger in a language you truly understand.